Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make hard planks in Windrose. Now for you to be able to get tar in the game, check over to your journal right now and go over to discovery. And at the very least, you need to have unlocked the cursed swamp region. You can unlock this by defeating the local threat over on the foothills area. Once you have defeated the local threat called Israel Hands, more than likely, you have unlocked the cursed swamp and you got your very first mission that will locate that specific region. And inside the major discoveries right here, you can find tar. And once you have discovered tar, you can then make tarred planks and tarred fabric. Now let's just focus on the planks one. Now we do have a video on the channel that is focused mainly on how to get tar. So you might want to check it out if you don't know where to find some. Now over on your workbench right here, you can find the recipe to make wooden planks. Your workbench has to be at least level 2. Mine is already at level 3. Just make some wooden planks through the use of 2 pieces of wood. For now, I'll just make one and then take it. And then you should be able to find the tarred planks still on the workbench right here, and it has to be at least level 3. Now what you are going to need is of course 1 piece of the wooden plank and then 1 piece of the tar. And then just press space to craft it. And there you go, you got your very own tarred planks. And that's pretty much about it on how to make tarred planks in Windrose.